All right, folks, let's talk about cars. I know what you may be thinking.
Taryn, you don't really know much about cars.
Well, you may be right, but what I do know is how to make your life easier. And let me tell you, Lee Myles Auto Care is the best place to bring your car. We're not like a regular auto repair shop. We're a digital shop, which means we make things easier for you. We use the latest technology to diagnose your car's issues. Our technicians perform a comprehensive digital vehicle inspection, capturing photos and videos of your vehicle. You'll receive a detailed report with everything explained clearly so that you know exactly what's going on. We also keep you in the loop every step of the way. You'll receive text updates on the progress of your repairs, including estimated completion times. And if you need to schedule a service, you can do it right from your phone. No more waiting on hold. Our online scheduling system is quick, easy, and available 24/7. And of course, there's our vehicle pickup and drop-off service. We pick up your car from work, bring it here, fix it, send you a text with the link to pay, and deliver it before you even clock out. It's like having a personal chauffeur, but for your car. And no more waiting around. You focus on your day while we worry about your car. It's a win-win. At Lee Myles, we're not just fixing cars. We're making your life easier, one smooth ride at a time. Visit LeeMylesSoutheastPA.com today to book your appointment anytime, anywhere, 24/7.